In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your tap card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, using your tap card is an extremely simple process. The only prerequisite is that it is loaded up with balance, and there are plenty of ways to do this. In fact, I'm gonna cover some of them in this video, and you will be able to use your card physically or contactlessly through your phone. First, if you wish to use your card physically, all that you have to do is top it up with balance, something that you can do on the latest version of the Tap Card mobile app after you sign into your account, or something that you can do physically at specific locations or machines. For this video, I'm not going to go into too much depth about how to recharge your Tap Card physically, but as long as you add balance to the card, all that you have to do is physically place it near the Tap Card reader when you board any sort of bus that accepts these sorts of cards, and you will be able to have your bus fare paid using the balance from the tap card. Like I said, you physically place it near the card reader and you will be good to go. Now, as you might expect, there is also the option to pay using your phone. To do this, you will have to set up the latest version of the Tap Card mobile app, go into the Cards tab and tap on the top left corner of the screen where you find this plus sign. This will give you the option to assign new tap cards to your profile. By doing this, switch over to the home screen and you will find the Add Card to Apple Wallet button. As you might expect, this option will automatically import all the details about the tap card into your Apple Wallet. In there, you can now make sure that the card has enough balance, add money as necessary, and use your phone near the card reader instead of the physical card, so you don't need to carry your physical card around. Likewise, you need to have balance on the actual card inside of your Apple Wallet and simply place your phone near the card reader. The balance is going to get used from the card and you will be ready to pay for your bus fare. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Tap Card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.